Our building chose to adopt Comprehensive Assessment System for Built Environment Efficiency, CASB. CASB assessment tools apply the innovative concept of eco-efficiency to its assessment in terms of built environment efficiency, B, formula, which takes into account the level of quality within the target built environment, Q equals quality, and the implication of the external environmental load from the target built environment, L equals load. A sustainable green development ideally should offer an environment of high quality of services with minimal negative impacts. CASB is the assessment tool which uses these 6 criteria: indoor environment, quality of services, outdoor environment on-site, energy, resources, and materials in off-site environment.
Growing awareness about the relationship between indoor environmental quality like materials, lighting, thermal comfort, and human health and productivity has catalyzed substantial research to support healthy breathing. It maintains materials identified as allergens, mutagens, carcinogens, and endocrine disruptors, while providing access to daylight and comfortable indoor climate are fundamental green building elements. Therefore, all interior finishes and construction materials such as adhesive, sealant, paint, coating, flooring system were selected with low or no level of volatile organic compound.
As for maintenance, a building includes excellent levels of considerations of maintenance. For example, the interior wall use paint the highly dirt resistance as well as for the floor finishes. Besides, the designs and the structures of floor are enable washing with water and avoid creating dust traps and places to leave objects. In addition, exterior wall and glass are also designed with highly dirt-resistant construction materials or with finishes such as weather-resistant paints and hydrophilic property. Lastly, metal parts exposed on the exteriors are treated against corrosion too.
Furthermore, there will be a foraging garden within the boundaries of the project. This garden will allow visitors to pick and eat edible fruits raw, thus helping nurture the human or nature connection. As a result, create a biophilic environment, which means an environment with a strong human and nature connection. Also, bike racks will be constructed at the opposite of the building's main entrance. To promote human-powered transportation, the bike master plan will be studied and there will be no vehicle parking within the project boundaries.
The burning of fossil fuels is the single largest contributor to global climate change, as well as contributor to a host of toxic emissions that impair the environmental health and directly affected communities and the world. Rising energy prices impose a significant economic imperative that requires a careful examination of understanding how to best assure a comfortable, healthy indoor environment supportive of patient recovery with a significantly reduced energy demand. Therefore, the canopy of photovoltaic panels performs the traditional task of creating a cool microclimate around the building and blurring interior and exterior conditions. The photovoltaic canopy generates more than 100% of the building's energy demand and captures enough rainwater to meet 100% of the water use in the building. Besides, it forms a floating canopy above the building and the panels will tilt from the horizontal plane by 5 degrees to face south. This slight adjustment increases solar exposure and improves drainage.
Use of sustainable material can significantly enhance a building environmental health performance. The sustainable harvest of material enhances the health of habitat and increase biodiversity. Project team will help by collecting fallen trees across the kindergarten, which were then turned into lumber used to make tables, benches, and furniture. Besides, the wood to be used in the building will be 100% PEFC, a program for the endorsement of forest certification. Besides, a recycling station is provided behind the building, allowing students and teachers to separately collect plastic, paper, cardboard, metals, and glass.
All of the water used in the kindergarten comes from rainwater captured by the porch canopy. Treated rainwater is used for drinking fountains, sinks, and showers. The grey water generated from these fixtures is pumped to a construct wetland at the back of the kindergarten. This water then descends via gravity through a series of rain gardens and detention structures aligned with the tiered exterior terrace before infiltrating to the site. Since compostable toilets are designed, very small amount of water will be used to create foam as a primer for toilet use, and no black water will be generated within the building. Thus, the waste from toilets will be collected in bins, composted, and carted off. Next, our building also using white cooled roof and light color paving materials to reduce the heat island effect. Heat island effect is a phenomenon of increased temperatures in microclimates constructed with dark paving and roofing materials that trap and absorb heat during the day.
In conclusion, CASB is designed to enhance the quality of people's lives, reduce resource use and diminish environmental loads associated with development from a single home to a whole city. Moreover, it is a comprehensive assessment of the quality of a building, evaluating features such as interior comfort and scenic aesthetics, in consideration of environment practices that include using materials and equipment that save energy or achieve smaller environmental loads.